Hey guys, just back again to go over some troubleshooting things you might need to do to get your virtual machine to work. Most of the times when you're going to run into a problem here, it's because the newer versions of Windows 2008 Server require you to run in 64-bit mode, which needs a couple of things turned on your virtual machine software. It also requires some BIOS updates, which I'll talk about, but I can't show you. So if you go into your system, a couple of things you're going to want to make sure you have checked on. So you go to System, you go to Processor. You should probably turn on this Enable PAE/NX option. That's going to give you some issues if you don't have it checked, depending on your machine itself. And for the acceleration, make sure both of these are checked. If they aren't, things may not work right, and it'll just tell you that it can't find a valid operating system for you. At this point, all you should have to do is hit Start. If the machine comes up and says that it can't recognize the operating system, then you have a BIOS problem. Now, your BIOS problem is tricky in that it's different on almost every single machine. So what you're looking for in your BIOS is you're looking to turn on the hypervision or the virtualization options. For most of the HP machines, that'd all be located under a security tab. For Dells, it's somewhere else. I think it's on by default in most Acers, but there's the words you're looking for in the BIOS, and you want to enable them. So you're looking to enable either hypervision or virtualization in your BIOS. If you don't do that, then and it's not enabled by default, what you'll get as an error is you'll get your system can't recognize a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so if that's the error you get, then you need to go into your BIOS and turn on this. Before you do that, just come over here in your system and make sure that you have the PAE/NX checked and the VT/AMD checked with the nested paging checked. If you do all that, everything should work. If you get that error, go in and make sure virtualization is turned on in your BIOS. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.